is the day I'll be playing at Campus Festival for the first time. I am so excited and also a tiny bit nervous, but it's gonna be amazing. I'm looking so much forward to it, and I'm so thankful for the whole opportunity. It's amazing. It's also the first time I'm going to the eastern part of Hungary. I've never been there. It's crazy. It's quite a journey to Debrecen. It's like 3 hours nearly from Budapest. We are 224 kilometers away from Budapest, and I guess the same from Szeged. And yeah, it's nice. We haven't seen Debrecen, so now we will take like an hour walk up to the festival from the train station. It's not that far away. You could also take a tram up there, it's pretty easy. And then we want to see the beautiful city of Debrecen. What can I say? We've been walking through Debrecen and it's absolutely amazing. What a city. We have to come back here many times. It's amazing. I mean, don't tell this to anybody, but Debrecen is a bit nicer than Szeged. Now we have to get our tickets, our artist pass, I think, and then we will go in. This time we will not be able to film all days because we're only here today. We have a lot of concerts like Friday, Saturday and everything. But next year I hope we can come back and have like full experience and make a nice video like we did with the Board Festival and other festivals. So we got our wristbands here, and it's very hot today. As usual, it's Hungary. I don't know. It's gonna be good. I think there's gonna be a lot of people in there. Can't put it on. Take it on.
Är det?
Yep. We're trying to find the entrance we have to get in through, but we don't really know where it is. And we're nearing the entrance, and Soproni decided to give us their new alcohol-free beers with pear and citrus. It's my favorite. Let's try the new Soproni pear and citron soda beer thing. It's very refreshing. The citrus, it really just defeats the strong pear taste, so it's pretty good. So actually, beside the Campus Festival, the Debreceni Állatkert is the animal park. So I guess all the penguins and so on, they can hear when I sing tonight. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. So now we're inside the Campus Festival, and it looks like it's the whole festival is around the big stadium here, so it's pretty interesting to see. Colorful Campus Festival has finally begun, and it's so overwhelming but amazing. I think the next 7 hours we will just be checking it all out, finding the stage now, putting our gear there, and then just have a fun blast. We found the stage, and behind the stage is the backstage. And it's, I mean, normally if we were a band it would have been great, but now it's just me. We have a fridge here with some food, some wine, some beer, some water. We have, yeah, we have almost everything here, it's great. Let's do a quick what's in the backstage fridge. Frederick and Alice, you can see we have a lot of water. I don't think we will ever drink that much. We have some kind of food here. Looks good. Some juice. Some good rosé and white wine. Some Coke and some Soproni beer. It's great. So the first area we have, it's the Egyetem tér, the students, the university square, and there's all sorts of activities here. You have UNIDEP doing a lot of stuff, you have some small events and stuff, it's great. So So we have the BMW stand. They're really doing serious to promote their new cars, which is great. And we got this. It's a something, I don't know what it is. And we're looking at all these nice cars. Most are electronic and hybrids. It's amazing. BMW cakes. And a lot of people have asked me about my car collection. And finally I decided to show you, because I drove all of them here to Debrecen. If you look here, I have a BMW H. It's not so expensive. Then I have the nice one, which I drive in the summer. It's the BMW M4. Just kidding. My real car is this one. And it's even electric. They even put a full Lidl here, a full-size store in a tent. Amazing. They have street food, cheap. They also have some games here, which looks nice. Check out the festival Lidl. They even have an entire wall with just Lidl accessories. Amazing. Remember, these were sold out all over Europe. This is what we're getting. If you support the OTP Bank, which we have, then you can also donate money to the schools here. It's a good cause. We entered the little park kind of thing, where you have all the associations, organizations, you have the municipality, you have everything of Debrecen in here. It's more calm than outside. This is the children's corner, so there's a lot of different activities for children and young people like me. So this is the Civil Agora program here. There's a lot of things happening here. There's the playground, there's the campus art zone, and there's some speeches. It's pretty interesting also. That's the Made in Debrecen stage. So here you have all local artists and bands playing. It's good that you support all the local artists. Hasn't really begun yet. I mean, it's only 4, so I guess in a few hours it will be filled with people, and yeah, it will just be amazing. It is already amazing now, but let's see. You can see already now there's so many people here, and it's great. I'm looking so much forward to the show tonight. We are hearing some great music, and you should really come and check out the Campus Festival in Debrecen. It's amazing. The festival is colorful, it's wonderful, and it's summerful. I don't know if that made sense. So as you might know, we were so lucky to get a warm-up for tonight. My good friend Walmart, the band, it'll be a warm-up because they're playing now and I'm playing at midnight, so I guess they're warm-up.
Kind of.
I mean, Valmar is a pretty good band duo. Yeah, they're very good. They did a great show. I mean, it's great. I would love to come here also as a guest sometime because the atmosphere is great. They're great music and people seem to enjoy themselves. But now we have to see. I will do the show here in, let's see, quite some time, in 6 hours nearly. Okay, some quick facts about Campus Festival. The festival is in Debrecen, which is in East Hungary, not so far from Miskolc. This is the 15th Campus Festival, which means there's been 14 prior to this one. Campus means like the university, so it's mostly for students. Although right now we see a lot of very young children and also older people at my parents' age, sorry. During this Campus Festival, it is expected there will be around 100,000 attendees visiting this beautiful and very colorful festival. So it's quite a lot. It's the second largest in Hungary. Sziget in Budapest is the biggest. So that was some quick facts about Campus Festival. Okay, so I guess we might have to do a little food test. Thank you, Nils, for providing this for me, my manager, Nils. We have some Hungarian tapas. Looks good. First one.
Yeah.
I think it's with cheese or something. You know, they could just have poisoned me and I wouldn't know. I said it before, but I don't know what he thought. Are we gonna get drunk tonight or what? Look. The good one, Ilsai Olivier. And beer and everything. I don't know what to say. No, take the juice. I think we're just gonna relax here the next hour or two because it's in a high-pitched tempo, which is great, but have to be prepared for tonight. We would really like to make like a full video on campus one day. Right now we have a show to play, so it's not gonna be the same, but like we did with the Wine Festival, we'd like to do that one time. I had this idea that maybe at some point we could make a series on YouTube where we visit all the big clubs and visit their stadiums in the first OTP Bank Liga, like Debrecen and Ferencváros and Kecskemét. Maybe. What do you think? Would that be nice? The time is currently 9 and there are about 3 hours till I have to perform. And I think we will take the last train, which departs at 2:30 in the middle of the night.
First train.
The first train. As I said, you know, you have such a big name like Mark Yarai Mark, and then another big name, and then me. Why? Yeah, you know, not nervous, but I'm thinking about it more. It's going on. Yeah? Okay, yeah. Okay, we'll do it in English. Hope you understand. My name is Frederick Cornelius. I live in Budapest now. I lived in Szeged for a year, and I've been on television and all sorts of shows. So yeah, the next hour I will play some good songs. Go your own way and not try to behave, baby. What is wrong with me? Can we still be friends, or will it never end? Darling, can't you see? Summer might call and spring may fall together as friends. So do I when I cry to you to be mine. So do I when I cry for you to be mine. Hungarian lovers, and there was like Szeretlek, and you know that sounded so nice. So I tried to write a song, and it's been in television, X Factor, and everything. So yeah, I hope you understand it. A szeretet nyelvén beszélsz. Mikor először találkoztunk, olyan jó volt találkozni. Nem értem a nyelvet, idegen nyelvet beszélt. Yeah. And in Danish, it's skål. It sounds like iskola, right? We can say iskola. Iskola. Great show, great people. I met some nice people here, and it was amazing. Thank you for watching. See you in the future.